How to delete playlists on Spotify. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can delete your playlist on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Deleting playlists on Spotify is very simple. You can use a Spotify web by going to spotify.com. You can use a Spotify app on your mobile phone, or you can use a Spotify app on your desktop as well. The process is pretty much the same. After you log in, you have to go to the Your Library section that you can find here. When you come to Your Library, here you'll be able to see a list of playlist that you've basically created over here, as you would be able to find it. So all you have to do is basically just go to a playlist that you would like here. Once you go to a playlist that you would like, here you can see a custom playlist that I created, and you'll be able to see all the songs inside of this playlist. And what I need to do to delete this song is basically I just need to click the three dots option here, and then over here you'll find the option called delete. Make sure to click on the delete option. It'll ask you for a confirmation, do you want to delete it from your library? So you can just click the delete option to completely delete and wipe out this playlist from your Spotify account. But I'm not going to do that because of course it took me a lot of time to compile this playlist. But to give you a basic idea, this way you'll be able to go ahead and then delete playlists on Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.